breaking free from the chains of the soul, illuminating the path ahead. When darkness prevails within, our souls may sink like graves, and everything around us becomes dull and heavy. The only way to change this perception is by altering our mindset, allowing the light to penetrate the depths of our inner world, and opening the door to hope. In the graveyard of the heart, where darkness takes control, we feel the weight and monotony. The only way out is to change our thinking, letting the light illuminate the darkness within. Just as the dawn gradually dissolves the night's gloom, a positive mindset can break the shackles of the soul, and light our path forward. Don't be confined by the graveyard within, courageously face the dark side. Changing our mindset is awakening the inner warrior. The light is never far away, it has always been there, waiting for us to open our hearts. Only when we embrace change, let go of negativity, can we truly experience the serenity and brightness deep within.